Look what we have here, a beautiful 1966 Corvette Roadster. Has a correct 327 with the optional high-performance 350 horsepower motor under the hood with that 4-speed and these side pipes. You'll be loving the sound it makes. Good looking knockoff wheels, radial redline tires, and somebody has even added a modern air conditioning system so you'll be totally comfortable and cool. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find a price tag on this one and 200 other classic cars, all for sale. That's volocars.com. But for now, Shelby's going to take you for a spin.
So the body on this car is in excellent shape, and I do not see any damage on it. Opening up the doors, you could literally close it with your finger. The headlights open and close properly, and it is repainted to its original Sunfire yellow color and has a smooth, glossy finish to it. The chrome shines bright, and the cross flag emblems look new on this car. The black convertible top looks new as well, and the rear plastic window is crystal clear. It's sitting on a set of 15-inch BF Goodrich radial redline tires with new reproduction knockoff wheels. And my favorite part is the factory side exhaust this car has. It looks good and sounds even better. I absolutely love it. Now, with all that being said, let's go check out the interior.
Before we do, the bumpers are just gleaming, the taillights, the gas lid here, all that is sparkling. So she mentioned the cross flags were new. There's much more that is new. These look to be original. These look new. Bow tie mirror looks new. The trim around the windshields and vent window look original. The windshield itself is crystal clear, probably been replaced. Those are radial red lines. Now the front bumpers aren't as good as the back bumpers. They look good. You stand here and they're just fine, but they're not new. Everything in back looks new. So there you have it. Now she can take you to the interior.
I'm sitting in the car now, and the first thing I noticed was the nice firm cushions in the seats. Man, are they comfortable. The upholstery and door panels appear to be in excellent condition too. Same thing with the carpet front to back. Now in front of me is an excellent instrument panel, and all the gauges look very fresh and clean. They all function, and it even has quartz movement clock. The AM/FM radio has been restored, and it is hooked to a factory power antenna. The center console is very nice with the correct chrome shifter. Chevy bow tie seat belts are also clipped into place.
Now I had noticed there is one little crack up here on the original dash pad. Glove box door looks new. Inside is all nice and clean. The light works. This is our inspection sheet. We'll go with the car. Down in between it has the Chevrolet bow tie seat belts. Steering wheel's in nice shape. And then might as well open the lid here to show convertible top. You can see the rubber's new, the frame's painted nice, the top is new, still has a tag on it. Then carpet front to back is looking to be in great shape. You got a compartment right here, and that has a jack and a lead hammer. Do you know what the lead hammer is for? That's for knocking off the knockoff spinners. I'd say this is a very nice, unabused interior.
Now coming over to look at the engine compartment, it looks to be very clean in here. That is a 327 with optional 350 horsepower. Casting numbers and dates line up for this car. It has correct factory aluminum intake, air cleaner, and finned aluminum valve covers. All of the components look fresh and proper. There's even a modern air conditioning system that has been added to keep driving a pleasure all summer long for you.
Now I meant to wipe off some of these fingerprints, but yeah, the finned valve covers right away tip you off that it should be a 350 horsepower. This has the aluminum intake, higher compression. When they rebuilt the engine, the numbers, the matching numbers got shaved off, but all the dates, codes, everything line up properly, so it makes it a correct engine, more than likely the original engine. And like she had mentioned, new air conditioning to keep you cool. There's a battery disconnect I'm noticing. Now we got the expansion tank. Looks like a new clutch fan, new alternator. So it has a real nice looking motor compartment with a peppy 350 horsepower.
Now the underside of this car looks very clean. It's been serviced and maintained as needed. It has front and rear independent suspension, and our shop has inspected it and serviced it too. Disc brakes at all 4 wheels, and the e-brakes assembly is all hooked up. The fiberglass floors are in good shape, and the spare tire carrier is complete. The frame is solid, and looking up at the motor, it is fresh Chevy orange, and it has the correct canister type oil filter. VIN number matching Muncie 4-speed was rebuilt by Jasper, and in back it has its original coded and dated 336 posi rear end. After our inspection, we fixed the reverse lights, charged the AC, fixed turn signals, fixed the radio, replaced the ashtray knob, and replaced right rear half shaft joints, replaced the voltage regulator, installed the battery hold down, and replaced top alignment pin bushings and adjusted the e-brake. Good times are waiting for you. With that being said, do not let the opportunity slip off your fingertips, so go on, give us a call, and we can help set up delivering this car to your door and even help with financing. Thanks for watching.